Hi, hi everyone. So today we want to make a tutorial for how to create your MVC application and publish it into the Azure. So first thing is you need to have the Azure account and log into your account, and then so this is your Azure account. What you have to do is create app service. So select your resource group or create your new resource group. So for now we just select the existing one. So this is your name, web app name. So just give anything. So today I give is MVC demo. MVC demo. To generate, so we select MVC demo 1 2 3. Okay, so publish code, runtime stack is you can select anything that is, I think better is okay. So Windows Central US, if you are from US you just select US. So for me I select South Asia, and then one. So plan, free plan, change size. So you must select the, depends on what size you want to do. So for now we just select, no need to select the production. If you expected your app will suitable for production, just select any option from the production. So for now we select just development and test. So F1. So we got free version, so 60 minutes per day. That's okay for demo. So apply, and so on, and then next, enable application insight. If you want to do the insight for your application, just select yes. For me, no. So now just create. Kat depan. Okay, it's done. Now open your Visual Studio. So create a new project. Give the name for your project, MVC demo 1 2 3. select MVC. Please wait. Loading is a bit slow, so wait a while. Your development. This is the app that we create. Your development has been is complete. So okay. So this is the overview page when you create a new project from Visual Studio. So what we have here is about, this is by default, so you can test run first to check it out. Forgot to copy the URL. So what is it is no need copy there, we can copy from the Visual Studio. So this is if you run from the Visual Studio, so we can view your MVC application from your local host. This is the link for your application. We copy first. So try here. See, don't have nothing yet, right? So check this out. Okay, this is your MVC application. It should looks like this, and then okay, now we have to publish it. You can go to the build, click publish. Will appear this page. Okay, publish. So app service, Azure virtual machine, IIS, and folder. So here you must select the app service, whether you can create new, what we have done before at the Azure portal, or you can, if in this case we already created, so just select existing. Make sure here you log into your same ID, your Azure portal here. So select your resource group, subscription. This is, so this one MVC demo here, select this one. I select this one. So publish in progress. by default, if you when you create the Azure application, it will display this page. So when you publish your app using the Microsoft Visual Studio, so here we go, almost done. There. So your MVC application already published to the Azure website.net, MVC demo 123.azurewebsite.net, and then your MVC application already live to public. So happy trying. Please subscribe this channel. So see you in the next video.